my friends! We wanna draw T-Rex, robot T-Rex, Spino. Okay, but the first we have marker, and a box of paper, marker, and a box of crayons. Open the box, Adi. Open the box of crayons. Oh, wow, Ami is so strong. Oh, nice. Okay, let's draw.
Next time, one choosing which me A, B, C. Is it spinal first?
Oh, the teeth. Pointy teeth. Ooh. So sharp
What is
teeth.
Spinal. Spinal. Is it the paper? Spinal have this.
Check it out. Ooh. Ta-da! Come on! Let's color the T-Rex. Okay. What color do you wanna choose?
Is it?
And
Is it?
what color is it? Black.
Is it? Is it? Is it?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Is it?
Okay, come on. Color the robot T-Rex. Ooh, red first. Ooh, nice, Adit. Cool. Ooh, what color is it?
White.
It's not white, Auntie.
Third white.
It's kinda like cream.
Dream?
Cream, yes.
Swimming.
Cream color.
Dream tower. Is it a popper like this? Spino is what the Velocinosaurus.
Oh, pale orange, Adik.
Pale orange?
Pale orange.
Is it a pale orange?
Yes. Here, check it out. Here. Oh, this is Adik. There is the name. Oh,
Papa, me
pale
one.
orange.
Pale orange is
Yes.
over is this.
Okay. Combine the purple and pale orange.
Yay. Yan yayo.
Wow. Done. Yes. Ooh, rainbow robot T-Rex. Ya, di rainbow dia.
This is another one.
Rainbow robot T-Rex.
It's done, Papa. Spinal first,
Done.
Papa.
Whoa,
Done, Papa.
yes. Wait.
Spinal.
It will come true, Adi. It will come true. Papa has magic trick. Magic trick with a book. Yay! Papa has magic trick. Papa will spin the book and the T-Rex will come true.
Wow.
Okay, are you ready? Spin the book. Are you ready? Spin the book. Woo!
What?
Count.
Two.
Let's count.
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, open. Yeah. Whoa.
Papa, I see,
Robot T-Rex. The T-Rex comes true. T-Rex come true. Check. Wow, nice. Woo. Bye, friends.